back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are brand new. I am so pumped for today's video. We're going to be doing a huge Ulta. I have a huge box from Ulta, and then this bag is really heavy from Sephora. It's like a mix of both. And I also have a giveaway in today's video, so that is very exciting. I love giving back to you guys, and it's always so much fun. So all the rules to enter are going to be in the description box down below. You must follow every single one of them. I will be checking, I will be making sure, and the end date of the giveaway will also be in the description box, so be sure to check down there for all the rules and all the stuff you need to know. You'll be winning some Peace Out Puffy Eyes, which are my favorite under eye patches, my favorite mascara right now, which is this Too Faced one of my favorite glosses from Fenty. It is just the original Fenty Glow. It's so pretty. And then a $25 Panera gift card. I just wanted to treat you guys. I love doing this stuff, so be sure to enter this giveaway down below, and let's go ahead and get started. I will link all these products down below for you guys to shop as well. If you click on the link, it'll take you right to the website. You guys can shop through those links. It would mean the world to me. And let's go ahead and get started because I am so excited. Okay, so let's first go onto the Sephora bag. This was all purchased in store. The first thing is my Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. I go through like one every 2 months. It's by far the best moisturizer for my skin. Now, I have started to experience like oily skin. I think it's just because it's getting hotter where I live. But I use like a more like natural, normal moisturizer during the day, but at night I still like to intensely hydrate my skin, and that's when I'll use this. I am obsessed with this moisturizer. It is so good. It has always worked for me. I've been using it since it came out, and it has never failed me. So 10/10 recommend. It's expensive, but it really does work wonders for my skin, and I think it's worth the price because my skin has totally changed because of this product. I got these masks when they came out, and then I forgot that I really enjoyed it, so I thought I'd pick up another one. This is the Dr. Jart Shake and Shot. This is the rubber hydra mask. It looks like so crazy, but it has the stuff and like all the ingredients inside. So what you do is you take them out, you put the activator in, and then also like the gel stuff. You shake it, and then you take the spatula. It's really cool. It's like a really cool concept, and then you just like put it on your face, you let it sit, you peel it off, and these are really good. They have like a firming one. They have so many, but the hydrating one is my favorite one. I'm probably gonna end up using this tonight because I think these things are so cool, and it's like your own little experiment at home. So I recommend these for like gifts. I think these are like really good gifts for somebody. They're like 12 bucks, so they're kind of expensive, but I recommend it. Skincare by Hyram basically told me to get this, and I felt very peer pressure to get it. So I got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I want to put some on right now. I used to use this all the time, and then I just like forgot about it. Like I stopped using it for some odd reason, and then he was talking about it on his TikTok, and I was like, you know what, I need to go back and get this because I actually did love it a lot. I use the Glow Recipe Watermelon Toner every single night, and so I don't know why I wouldn't add this back to my routine. I always feel like sometimes I need like extra like little moisture on my skin, so that's when I'll just go ahead and use this. I love the packaging, and it smells really good. It smells like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. Next up, we're gonna move on to my new current favorite foundation. This is the Bite Beauty I don't even know the name of it, Changemaker Supercharged Micellar Foundation. I have this in the shade T100. This is like my dark shade. I am pretty tan right now, so this is what matches me. This is all natural tan from the sun. Like, I'm Middle Eastern, I get super dark. This foundation is amazing. I love it because it's not like super thick. It's really nice and lightweight on the face, but also gives you a nice like light to medium sort of coverage. It never makes me feel cakey. It's a great just like everyday foundation, except I wish I had a pump. That's my only complaint. Like, I just wish I had a pump on it so you don't have to squeeze it out. But the shade range is really great. And I also have another shade, which is M85, which I think I've already talked about on my channel before. There's a huge difference in the coloring. I don't know if you guys are able to tell, but M85 is gonna be my lighter shade because this is like my natural skin tone, but M100 is definitely my, actually T100, it means tan, is definitely like my darker shade. So this foundation's amazing. I've been using it so much, and it's my favorite. So like I was saying, I've been getting like oily skin, and I haven't been able to use my Ula Henderson Sea-Brush Brightening Gel Creme during the day because it's too much moisture. So my amazing friend Sam said that this one's really great for like normal to like kind of oily skin, or just like normal skin, like just in general. So it's the First Aid Beauty Coconut Water Creme, and I'm gonna open it. I think it's actually called cream, not creme. I used this once and I put it back in here because I hate using stuff and not putting it back in here because I totally forget. And there's one product that I'm gonna talk about that I forgot to put back in here, so It's in my skincare fridge. But this stuff smells so good. I like it because it soaks right into my skin right away. I never feel like I have like residue sitting on top. It really does just feel amazing. Super nice and like lightweight. It has really great ingredients in it too, and it's just been like really nice for my skin. So I'm kind of going between this one and the other one I'm going to talk about in a second, trying to figure out which one's my favorite and like the best thing for my skin. But so far this one has been good. I need to use it more to get like a full-on like opinion about it, but so far it's really great. Super smoothing and it feels really great on my skin. And the other one is the Inkyless Peptide Moisturizer. It says it's best for dried skin, but I feel like it's not. Like, I feel like it's good for any skin type. I love it because you just like press down and the product comes out of the top. It's in my skincare fridge, by the way, so that's why I don't have it. But the product comes out of the top, the most perfect amount, soaks right into your skin, like literally instantly. It's so good. I love how it doesn't just sit on top. Another one of the key sort of parts about this moisturizer is that it helps reduce wrinkles, and you have results in 28 days. I don't need that because I don't have wrinkles on my face, but it's good to prevent. So I've been loving this moisturizer a lot. I think it's nice. It's really inexpensive. I think it was maybe between like $8 and $15 on that sort of spectrum. So I picked up 2 of these Kosas wet lip glosses for my mom and I, and we're gonna go ahead and apply one. They're both in the shade Jelly, or what's it called? Jellyfish. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this because it looks so cool and interesting. Very curious about this product. I always love trying new lip glosses or like lip oils. Okay, I mean, that gloss feels good. Like, I don't have a problem with it. I'm gonna definitely have to try it out more to see how I like it, like over time, but so far so good. The next product is the Tatcha Serum Stick. It is a treatment and touch-up balm for eyes and face. I don't know why I got this. I honestly buy anything from Tatcha, so I felt like I should try this. I heard it's kind of pointless, but I'm gonna try and get like my own sort of perception of it. But I don't know, I'm gonna try it. It says that it's non-comedogenic, non-irritating. I don't know how I'm gonna like it, but like I said, we're gonna try it and see. But have you guys ever tried this? Because I wanna know what you guys use it for, how you guys use it, and what's your favorite thing about it. Is it a gimmick or is it worth it? Last up in here, we have the Innisfree Pore Clearing Clay Mask with super volcanic clusters. I hate that word. I hate the word clusters. But this has been amazing for my skin. I've been getting like a little bit like larger pores like right here in my T-zone, and I've been using this a lot. Like, I will show you guys. It has been used. I try and put everything back in here after I use it, and this has definitely been helping. I've been using it 2 times a week, and it's just helping like clearing out my skin and not really drying it over too much. And Innisfree is very inexpensive as well, so I felt like it was a really good price for the product and kind of the ingredients in it. So I recommend this if you guys are trying to, I don't know, just kind of clear out your pores and shrink them a little. And it is a wash off mask. That's everything from Sephora. Now we're gonna move on to this Ulta box. There's like 5-ish things in here, I think. First thing is the Hot Toddy Before Ironing Heat Protectant Mist. I love this stuff so much. It's literally exactly what it says. It protects up to, I think, like 450 degrees, and you just spray it in your hair. I flatten my hair at least like once a day. I try not to, but like if I do, it's once. And this just helps it not, I guess, like penetrate as deep into your hair follicles. It smells really good. So you just like spray it, like section out your hair, spray it, and flatten your hair, and it should help it not be as damaged, less split ends and all that fun stuff. So I've been using this and I really recommend it. This is my 3rd bottle and it has definitely helped my hair. Next up is this Hemp's Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Herbal Body Moisturizer. This is by far my favorite lotion. I use it on my body. It is so good. I go through bottles of these. I think I use like one once a month. I personally put lotion on my body when I wake up, after I shower, like right before I go to bed. And this is the best scent ever. It is so sweet. It smells so good. I'm gonna squirt a little just so I can kind of give you guys a better description of the scent if it wants to come out. I feel like it's about to come out any second. There we go. It just smells like paradise and it's just amazing. Like, I think you guys need to go try out this body lotion. It is so good. It's super moisturizing. Never just like feels oily on my skin. It soaks in right away. Leaves my skin feeling super moisturized and healthy. There's a ton of different scents and kind of smells you guys can get, but this is by far my favorite one. It has been so good and I've been using it for years. So next up I have the Kenra Blow Dry Spray. I've also been using this since it came out. I think I've been using it for a couple years. And when your hair is dry after in the shower and you want to blow dry it, spray this in your hair and it literally cuts the time in half. If it takes you 20 minutes to dry your hair, it'll take you 10 minutes. Somehow this makes it go by so much faster. It is so good. I love it so much. It has always just cut my time in half, and I never had any problems with it. It's like a heat protection also. It's super lightweight and also detangles and smooths my hair and helps it not be as frizzy. So this is really great if you dry your hair a lot. I don't dry my hair like a lot, maybe like once a week, if that, but when I do dry it, it's just like a lot of heat, and I want to make sure I'm protecting my hair, but I'm also not standing there for like 20 minutes with a hair dryer because it can hurt your arms. So that's why I love using this stuff. It's so good. And last up in here we have the Fox Tan Accelerate Rapid Mist. This is what I use when I tan outside. I naturally tan like really dark, but then my friend Sarah was like, why don't you use something that actually like makes you darker, just for like a nicer kind of like olive based skin tone. So I thought I would just enhance my tan a little with the Fox Tan. This is my favorite. This really does help my tan just develop faster and makes me look more tan, but not overly tan. Like obviously up to a certain point your skin won't take like more color. It'll just like maintain that color. Every time I put this on in the sun, I can literally feel like the rays 10 times more. It's so hot, but it works really well. And I don't put it on my face because I keep my face out of the sun, but my body I'm fine with because I want my body to be tan, and I love this stuff so much. Alright guys, that is it for this huge Sephora and Ulta haul. This was a lot of money spent, but it was a fun video. I love doing these videos for you guys, and I can't wait to do more. If you guys want to enter the giveaway, I highly recommend you doing so. Be sure to check out all the rules and all of the regulations and all the fun stuff in the description box down below. And like I said, if you guys are interested in any of these products, I always have them in order in the description box for you guys to shop. And I love you guys so much. I am excited for you guys to see future videos, and I'll see you guys in my very next one. Bye guys.